How mediation can save you thousands in divorce? Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're getting divorced, you might think hiring an attorney is your only option, but it's not. Mediation can save you thousands of dollars and help you finalize your divorce faster without ever stepping into a courtroom. Divorce attorneys charge $400 to $600 per hour, with retainers starting at $5,000 per spouse. A litigated divorce can cost $20,000 or more. But mediation is a fraction of that, usually between $2,000 and $5,000 total. For example, we worked with a couple who spent over $15,000 on attorneys before realizing mediation was a better option. We helped them finalize their case quickly for a fraction of the cost. Mediation also keeps you in control. Instead of a judge making decisions, you and your spouse decide what works best. This leads to better outcomes and a faster process. Most mediated divorces are resolved in weeks or months, not years like in court. One client had a divorce dragging on for over a year. After switching to mediation, they settled everything in one session, and we filed their final paperwork within weeks. At Divorce661.com, we make the process simple and stress-free. We handle all paperwork and court filings. Flat fee pricing, no expensive attorney fees. 100% remote service. Finalize your divorce from home. If you want a fast, affordable, and stress-free divorce, visit Divorce661.com for a free consultation.